Hello guys! I'm back again and I just want you to share our first time! Zion's first time in the cinema. So hopefully guys, maging okay. And right now, we're planning to watch. What are we gonna watch in cinema?
Yes.
What? Huh?
Hoppers and Papa Fish.
So, yan guys. Bye. See you later.
So, ayan guys, kita nyo naman, sobrang excited kami papunta sa cinema today. So, ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman na maganda naman ang weather and the traffic flow. So, ayan, nandito na kami. And, ayan, sobrang excited ang aking anak. Kitang-kita nyo naman dyan, diba?
So, yan guys. Andito na kami. And, actually, nakabili na kami ng ticket, but ipapa-confirm na lang. Let's go!
Since ito nga yung first time na makapunta yung anak ko dito sa cinema, and sobra siyang na-amaze, and feeling naman namin sobra siyang happy and excited. So, ayan, pagpasok namin, chinek muna yung ticket namin, and after that, pumunta na kami sa bilihan ng popcorn kasi hindi mabubuo ang movie time without popcorn. So, yon, alam na namin kung saan kaming theater, and ayan, naglalakad kami going there, and sobra kaming excited kung ano kaya ang magiging story ng Hoppers. But yeah, as we experience naman, so sobrang ganda nung Hoppers. Iba talaga pag gumawa ang Disney. So, ayan, excited kami kung saan kami uupo. Pero, yun, sobra kaming happy with Zion. Nakasama namin siya. So, hello guys! Nag-vlog pa siya. So, ayan. And, syempre, he is very patiently waiting kasi may mga commercials pa. And, ayun lang. I hope you enjoy, guys, this, our simple family bonding and the cinema. So, what are you gonna say?
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. And I hope you enjoy our mini vlog. Thank you. Bye.